Welcome to FX Street. Today we're going to be talking about Polkadot forming a bear trap set to squeeze out 15% gains. But before we dive deep into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency market. Looking at the price section of Polkadot, you could see that the downtrend is still very much in play, even with the dead cross that we're seeing here. The 55-day is still trading below the 200-day moving average, and the 200-day even dipping a bit to the downside, while the 55 is slowly flatlining a little bit. That's for the overall trend, but looking further or drilling down into the last few days or weeks in the trading environment, we see a bullish reversal this morning, or rather today, where you can clearly see after the very negative day of almost 8% losses, we dropped below that $17 handle, and bulls are at the moment in performing of a bear trap. So a lot of bears who went in short on the break of that, in the idea that they could run price probably all the way down below $16 or even further. But bulls are pushing against. We see that as well with this little knee-jerk reaction in the relative strength index. And so it will be key to see a positive close above this monthly S1 around $17.11. And that could then trigger a further upturn towards $19 and then $20.50. So expect this to see either by Thursday and then the next tranche by Friday, or even $23 going into the weekend, once our investors are getting used to the current earnings that are being reported and are looking beyond the fact that there is still a positive uptrend at hand. Risk to downside, of course, there's a lot of brewing in the geopolitics with Russia shutting down gas supply towards towards Germany, for example. So that could see a retaliation from the EU and the US with more sanctions and possibly more arms delivery towards Ukraine. So that could push some negative rhetoric on the front foot and create some tailwinds in the turn, which would then see this bullish reversal short-lived and bulls getting pushed out of their positions with a sort of needle drop towards $15.75 in order to look for support where the next best level would be. With that move, of course, the relative strength index would trigger the oversold area, which would mean that bears have a very little room in order to go any further. So automatically this will trigger a lot of profit taking amongst the bears, which will then see a swing back to the buy side. So in case this drops, expect bulls to come in and buying volume from bears to come in at this $15.75 for then a possible upswing all the way back to $19. That's it for Polkadot for today. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto.